Hello, pals. This is a continuation of our lecture, and today's lecture will be the fourth lecture so far. Our topic today is on navigation. In order to make the content organized, that's in your documentation, you want the content to be organized and easy to follow. You need a navigation bar. The navigation bar is a list of links like home, content, news, or any other similar menu section in a page. To start creating navigation, you need to use the nav element, which identifies a section of navigation links on a page, the UL element, which identifies the unordered list, the LOI element, which specifies the list items, the element which identifies the hyperlink. I believe you are seeing them there on the screen there. The href attributes which identifies the destination of the links. These are the stuffs you need, the element and the attribute you need for navigation when you want to create a navigation section. Now I'm going to type them in so that you understand what I'm saying so far. But before I go on, note that a hyperlink provides the ability to link from one web page or resource to another. Hyperlinks are established using a element to create a link from one page or a resource to another. For you to create a hyperlink, the href attribute is required too. The A and href attributes, elements, they go hand in hand together. Now, this is where we stopped last time, and I will continue from here now. Remember, this information lies in the body, in between the body, the start and the end tag of the body. Then there are the visible contents so far. Okay, now when I click on enter and know that our navigation has started. Remember, we said that in order to bring in a navigation section, we have to make use of the nav element. Now here goes the nav element. The nav element. And you click enter because all this information will lie in between the nav element. We have created a navigation section now. We set the navigation section using the nav element. Identify a section of navigation on the page, while the UL identifies the unordered list. Now here goes the UL. Enter, which identifies a section of unordered list. And we say that the LI element specifies the list items. Now where is the LOI element? Look at it. Now this LOI element specifies the list items. The LOI element, and in between the LOI element is where the A element and the href attributes will come in. Now let's click in between. Now bring in the A element. A element. As you can see now, the A element goes hand in hand with the href attribute. The element says is a hyperlink. If you want to generate a hyperlink, identify the hyperlink, and the href attribute identifies the destination of the link. The hyperlink and the destination of the link. Okay. Now in between the href is where you type the link. Now, before I go on, let me tell you an information. Since you are writing, you are coding on HTML, any link in here will have .html. I know you're getting what I'm saying. Any link here will have .html. If you want to type like programming, if you have programming.html. If you want to type coding, you have to coding.html. Hope you got my point. Now, for home in HTML, you can use index.html or you can use home.html. For example, let me show you what I mean. In here now, if you type index.html and then in between here the destination, which is home. If you save it, it will appear as home. Control save. Let's edit it and see what I'm saying. I'm trying to edit it for you to understand my point. Now, here I come. Now, due to I made use of index.html and then home as destination, what will appear in the web page will be home. Also, if I'm to make use of home in here instead of index, home in here instead of index, and save, what will also appear there after refreshing will also be home. So it makes no difference. It depends on the editor you're using. Now, let's say I prefer using index.html. Now, if you watch, the end tag for this A element goes together with the end tag for the LI element, which specifies the list items. I get what I'm saying. You close them accordingly. Now, we are done with home in the navigation bar. Now let me include other links like let me say I've used home, then about us, and let me use about us, about me page, about me.html, and then about me destination, about me destination, and then use another link, contact me, will go contact me .html. .html, contact me.html, and then destination, contact me, and then another link, and this link be on what we are doing, programming. Let it be on what we are doing, programming or coding, programming .html, programming. One, two, three, four. You can go on and create engineering. You can make use of any link. You create any link of your choice. Is your navigation as you want people to navigate. That's how you create the links. Is all on you, your choice to make. All on you. The choice is yours to make. Let me say this last one will be mechatronics engineering.html, and destination is mechatronics engineering. Now let's save Control S, because you already saved it as Control S and Control Shift S. So Control Save As. So here now we are done. As you can see, we section a navigation bar in our page, and there is another list, the list items, the hyperlinks, and the destinations. So when you now preview this document, you notice that there will be links about home, about me, contact me, programming, mechatronics engineering in your page. And I believe you were able to assimilate what I said. That should be all for today. I don't have much time, so let me edit this for you, preview this for you to see. Now back to you refresh the web page, and you notice these links have come in. Are you seeing it? This is all about navigation for today. Make sure you subscribe. God bless you. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Are you seeing it? About me, contact me, programming maker 2029. These are the links. Hello, that's our only lecture for today, navigation. Make sure you subscribe, and our next lecture will be on table, how to incorporate a table in a document. Endeavor to subscribe.